get an X-ray done, there's a good possibility it's a tubercular cough. It's so recurrent that it's like that. You're a doctor, aren't you? Yeah, could you hear that cough? Now look, Coccus and Corallium. You tell me which one is this. Look at Coccus cacti and Corallium rubrum. Coccus cacti and Corallium rubrum. In Corallium rubrum it is written, it's a machine gun cough. You see, hear the cough. You heard this cough, right? You heard this cough. It's the Corallium rubrum cough. Okay? It should get definitely next week after. Only I have given 2 doses of Corallium rubrum. That's it.
2 doses of 200?
30C. It's a tuberculosis. Tubercular.
Yes, because he spent the first 5 minutes coughing.
Yeah.
Well, the whole consultation basically coughing.
Yeah.
You see, it feels like that, all these patches, these are the, fibrotic lesions in the lung, and you could see there is quite an extension of the lesion. This is. This is 1 month before, one is 6th of February. ওরা কি বলেছে দুটোর মধ্যে পরিবর্তন হয়েছে তো আগে চেয়ে?
ওরা কিছু বলছে না। ওরা এরকম ওষুধ লিখে দেয় ছেড়ে দেয়। এই বারবার হয় বারবার।
কাশিটা তো আগে চেয়ে কম আছে।
আর কখনো কম থাকে কখনো খুব জোরে হতে লাগে। ঠিক
আছে করে দিচ্ছি।
এইটারও অনেক দিন ধরে এরকম হচ্ছে।
The cough was like that, they had. There was a Corallium Rubrum prescription. Amazing, this is a real acute follow-up we have seen and advanced pathology. We are talking about open tuberculosis. They give streptomycin injection, this and that, If he stays like this, generally within 2 weeks, he becomes a closed case.
Closed?
He becomes a closed case. I mean, you can't believe how he was coughing last week.
Yeah. And with streptomycin, it's 6 months or 9 months.
Yeah, they gave 9 months. And he stopped everything, just having wings.